Hello guys, today we're playing Run a Restaurant. It's actually my first time playing this game. So I hope that we get a best we will build the best restaurant. But we will have to start from the beginning. Let's do the tutorial. Said the customer is ready. Interact there. Okay. The order is in. Grab the tickets from the earth stand. Time to cook. I feel like it's like the other game. The restaurant 2, something like that. Just like this. I forgot what's the name of that game, but I know that is like that, like the thingy. It will, oh, so I have to cook. Okay, okay, that's okay. Then I will have to actually cook.
Paano natin magagamot ulo mo, Jonta? Mahabit ka naman kay ate dito. Wala ka ba? Wala lubat eh. Ate, malaki na ka, nagamot dito si Jem yan. Ha?
Okay.
Ano dito talaga?
It's like the other game.
May bala si ate dyan sa akin ni James. Okay mo may pa. Simon, subo ka na, subo ng kamay mo. Ate, kayo mo may pa ha.
Nice. A lot.
Iwanan ko na yung si Angel dyan.
Nice. Now let's go to shop and how much is the stove? Oh, wait, farming? What?
Ay, nako. Angel,
Do I need stuff? But let's go ahead and
wala na kayo kami. Guard mo na ulit yan. May palabok.
hmm.
Ano nga siya kayo? Ay, salamat kayo. Bye, Angel. Mamo, expected. Ang grabe naman yan. Bye.
What's this?
Si ate. Jordan. Paano magagamit ulo mo? Magagamit din ni PJ yung ulo mo. Hindi naman kasi ang tapat kasi ang magagamit ka mo. Hindi mo na sabusog ko yan.
Bro, why did he don't actually want?
Ang tiyan si Terry sa
Okay.
Madami. Buong ulo na nga eh. Tingnan mo. Tapos sa buong ulo mo.
How much is the
Huwag mo lagayin doon. Paltan-paltan mo yan. Pagka ano, kasi hindi pwedeng yan. Sa araw-araw kailangan papaltan mo araw-araw yan.
Okay, thank you.
Ano si mama? Magamot ka muna kay PJ. Wala kayo dyan. Magamot ka muna kay PJ. Wag na ako, ayaw mo. Balik ka na lang dito. Kahit ano. Pag nagamot yung PJ yan. Hati ka na. May e-bike sila. May e-bike. Hati kita dito. Ay, akin yan! Yan mo na kayo.
A regular. Oh, nice.
PJ, bala ka na to kung ano gusto mo doon ha. May oras na lang. Ano ka na PJ? Ikaw gumara doon. Pag lumalayan, bala ka sa doon.
How can I actually get
Section yan, bahala ka sa doon.
Also, no, that's how the farms are for the first
Yan
time.
naman eh, kahit din yun, kahit check up, kayang-kayang gamutin yan. May herbal lang yan eh. Eh, bumabalik na.
So we need to wow. Wow, how?
pa eh.
Kung yan ay
Do you
napapaligid.
have anything like farm?
Alagaw daw tsaka bayabas ilaga yung paligid.
Yun na napaligon niyo, mas maganda.
How can
Huwag
I?
mong sashampuan, allergy sa shampoo.
Eh, ano nga, ay, sabog pala ba kay Perla?
Sa bumabaho na lang, mas maganda
Tama,
pa.
tama.
Yun na lang sabi ko sa'yo.
Ba't nagalit ka? Oo nga.
Balak
Let's go.
Oh
Oh yeah, forgot about the table. Okay, those are the clean. Let's buy
Oy,
20 bucks. Oh, never mind. Now I have a lot.
Uy, tawag ka na doon.
Okay, it's going to buy 2. And go. Nice. Let's explore the map, I guess. Bronze. Oh. Like so. Okay. How can I get it? How can I get farming? There's nothing I can get. What? Let's get the water station. And no more. Nice. Oh, so this is, I think, the first thing that we should buy. Inaaway yan, malamang.
Away ka, Teacher Nicole.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Yeah.
Ayaw mo niya eh.
Nice. Take order. Oh. I think let's buy more.
Uy, budang na yung tsura ng mukha ng anak mo.
Oh, yeah.
Kanina pa kain ng kain yan.
Wow! Mabuti buti sa mo nakakain pa ng marami.
Uy, siyempre taman mo yung tsura. Sabi mo sa itsura mo.
Oo na nga.
Ano ka na sa sarili mo?
Eh, sabi ka naman na chaos din. Busy. Wait, what? First seed, yeah, sure. Wait, what's that? Some oh, okay. What? Let's remove that for a minute. Cause I want to buy a rusty sink. Cause sinks are actually. Wait, let's remove this.
Oh, tama na.
Yeah. Even it is a lot of a line. Oh wait. Sorry. Actually made a mistake. And place that there. Yeah. Yeah. Let's buy like one more.
Saan galing bahay?
This.
Wall?
Balik ko lang yan. Balik ka dito. Ah!
Wait,
Babalik mo
it's-
na dito mukha ng anak mo.
Oh.
Nahihirapan tayo. Nahihirapan tayo magtanggal yan.
Like right here.
Balik lang.
Bakit?
Kasi mo.
Okay.
Ito.
Well, clean up 10 dishes. Okay.
Ah.
Kulay black.
Okay. Okay. What's this? Starter pack, peak hours, party time, urgency,
Pa! May matuto.
virtualize. Oh, also this is like for gems. And this is gems. And that's it for gems. Skill. What do we have? Oh, nice. How much? Oh,
Ayun.
it's going to say how much the next 350 minus 195. So that means it's going to be 155. 155 more. Yay. So that is 115 left. Okay, go. I'm just scraping every last thing that I can buy. Yay, finally. My first one. Yeah. Bread. Good work, harvest job. Let's serve you. Let's. I think the spelling here is weird. So it's going to say good work harvesting crops. Let's. Oh, okay. No. Let's just say okay. So now I have bread. I have bread. Acquired bread. Acquired bread. Acquired bread. How much is that? Next? 5. So I want to get this tomato. Thank you. And we have exactly enough. Tomato. Yeah, tomato. Wait, I can open the fridge. No, let's try and go ahead and buy our third stove. Buy the stove. Maybe
Wala ba ni Papa
buy
cellphone?
the stove. Are you sure?
Ano po yan? Ano yan?
Oh, I thought I serve quick serve. What? No, I'm going to buy tomato. Yeah. Yeah, tomato. Wait, manage. Oh, okay. I thought it said two, but where's the where's ketchup? Well, let's remove this chair for a minute so I can move it through here. Place it here. And collect it. Level 2 farm. Ooh, a staff. Oh. Basics tool. Wait, let's go to manage. Oh, staff. Oh, 500 for one. Manager. Oh, so this is them. Nice. I'm not sure. Collect the order. Oh wait. Already got perfect for one rest. No. Oh. Can I sell this? No. Bro, I didn't notice the thingy. No.
Yan, huwag ka magtaka.
Uh-uh.
Dito ka, tumabi ka na naman dyan sa mesa. Lumayas ka dyan sa mesa. Lumayas ka dyan. Dahil pag ikaw natin sa mesa, wala.
Harvest.
Mauubos yung pagkain na yan.
Bruschetta. What you have is to help. Yeah. Oven.
Basta may yung kulang ka mamaya yung gabi. Sabi ko, tigilan mo ha. Makinig ka.
Ano nga?
Hindi nakakatuwa naman sila.
No. Okay, let's go.
Kaya, basa. Teksto.
Micah. Why?
May kawisyon.
My tower. Marami yung soup all tomato.
Tapos na ba yun? Teka nga muna. Ano? Yung kay Ate Des, okay na po ba? Yung ano, nasaan na?
Pwede pa nga pala okay.
Hindi ka pa kumain niya kanina?
Kanina pa ako nahingi pa nga ng cake.
Kuya!
Smart yan.
Yun!
Bibigyan ko si Mark.
Wala, ano yun?
Wala, may plastic pa.
Hindi sa kusina.
Bibigyan ko si Mark. Bibigyan ng mga birthday.
Ano bibigay mo?
Collab ko naman yan. Baka spaghetti. Ito si Mark, sakto. Nandyan, no? Nandyan si Mark, oh, sakto.
Spaghetti or itong ano?
Warehouse kung pwede.
Sabihin mo, palabok na lang.
Ay, ano gusto mo?
Papasalo and one burger.
No, I mean, what do you want?
Palabok
Palabok.
or spaghetti?
Okay lang po ako.
Okay. Cake na lang, kuya.
Ha?
Cake na lang.
Yeah.
Cake na lang, Mark.
Cake.
Anong flavor po?
Chocolates. Gusto
Okay
mo?
lang po ako.
Ha?
Okay lang po ako.
Ayaw mo? Sure ka?
Bigyan mo na, kawawa eh.
Hindi, sige yun. Pagkain na ako sa bahay.
Okay.
Yan, may kote ako. Kaya may kote ako.
Carbonara yung one.
Okay lang po ako. This is game nut. Yeah.
Ay, Mark, wala na ko. Ito na lang meron.
Ay, wala na palang Coke. Wala na bang Coke?
Wala na.
I give you 35.
You sure you don't want? We still got a lot. Okay. Bye-bye. See you next time. Give me cake. Give me cake. Give me cake.
Ay, Zian, kuhanin mo muna nga to.
Ano? Dami. Ano pala dyan? Paper. Give me cake.
Si Zian, ang kulit talaga eh.
Ano?
Mamaya ka na, pagbalik mo.
Aww.
Kunin mo muna to. Ate, pakukuha po ni mama yung subject sticker.
Sige. Ano?
25 daw to eh. Sabi.